Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another flower making tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to create Foamiran flowers, which are a bit wild flowers, a bit different than the most of the flowers I make, and also the technique of making them, it is slightly different too. So to create those flowers I'll be using mixture of petals from Lady E Design Flower 001 and Flower 004 sets. And yeah, let's make the flowers. To create one like a medium size flower like this one, we will need 2 petals from Flower 001 set and 1 from the Flower 004. And I will start with coloring it. I'm using gelatos, and I don't have the cup for that, so I don't know what color it is, but this one is metallic grape. And I'm going to mix a little bit of both colors, and I just got the kitchen sponge, which is very useful. So what I'm going to do is to color, to add purple just a little bit less than I'm going to add that blue. And what I will do here excuse me, I will add a purple in the center of that smaller petal, because that will be my top layer. Okay, and then I will add blue, and I'm just adding the colors on 3 petals from that flower and on 2 petals from that the other one. Okay, more blue for me than the purple, but obviously you can color it any way you wish, any colors you will need for your next project. I just love that combination of blue and purple. Okay, that will be it. And for those flowers I will need an iron, which I'm going to turn on now. Hot glue gun. I've got those lovely bush stamens from 14 Craft Bar. Look, the centers just look beautiful with those, and they are available in different colors as well. I'm using the blue for now, so they green with a blue end, and they come in a pack, and this is like a 1 bunch, and 1 batch will be for 1 flower. Okay, you will also need a ball tool, or I don't know if you can replace it with anything, but it's quite helpful in this kind of flower. So I've got my iron hot, and it needs to be quite hot, but maybe I've got it on between linen and cotton, so like half that's the medium and this is max, so it's on the way to maximum. Sorry, I don't know how to explain it better. So it's quite hot. So what I'm going to do, I will place my flower on the iron, and I will so the top is facing, the top of my layer is facing the iron. Okay, sorry, I'm just not good at talking today. And then I'm going to fold it, grab the tops together, all the tops of the petals, and just twist it. I will twist it and hold for a few seconds. Okay, so it's no rolling this time, it's just twisting. I show you again, just twisting it, holding for a few seconds, and then I will unfold it, and this is what creates my flower to go wide and matte. Okay, so now each petal I'm going to stretch with that ball. So I place the ball in the middle of the petal, and with those two fingers I'm pushing the petal onto the ball. So the middle of the petal is nice and smooth, but the top is crazy. If I can say. Okay, hopefully my camera is hopefully I can stay in focus. So that will be our top layer, and I will do the same with those 5 petals as well. So just a few seconds on the iron, kind of fold it and twist the top. So you only focus on the top of each petal. You want them to be really curved. So then I unfold it. Come on. And then I will use the ball to stretch each petal gently. It is fun way to make them because it's no rolling, so it's much easier. easier. Okay, and I've got that second crazy layer, and the third one. Okay, grab them all together, squeeze between your fingers and twist. And I can turn the iron on now, and then unfold and stretch each petal with the ball. Okay, so this is what we have, and now I'm going to glue it together. So I will take that bunch, and what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of glue near the bottom of it, so I can stick it together so they stay in a group. I don't want them to separate too much. And I will need something to create a hole. Okay, so I'm just making a hole in the center of my first layer. This is the one with the 4 petals, and I will just push that bunch of stamens through it, and then I'm going to add a dot of a glue here, not a big one, and kind of squash the foam from the bottom. I show you what I'm doing. I just kind of squashing it, because then the petals go different ways and they look fun. Okay, that's my first layer. I will make a hole here as well. So I'm going through the second layer now, and I'm going to add a dot of a glue between the layers, and again kind of squash that from the bottom, trying not to overlap the petals with the first layer, because when you squash it they will just move. So yeah, so it's great if they go in the gaps. And we need a third layer just to fill the gaps. Okay, and I'm just going to add a dot of a glue between layers again. And trying not to overlap them. and this is it. And if you feel that maybe your flower need another layer, I could maybe add one more here so it would go in those gaps, but I actually love it like that. And I didn't add any glitter or anything to my flowers. They look fabulous. So that's it for today. Actually, I just wanted to show you that technique where you don't have to roll the flowers and you create crazy flowers. And all the flower making supplies I've got are from 14 Craft Bar, which I'm going to excuse me, link below the video. And they carry my dies as well, so yeah, if you need Lady Design dies, you can buy there on eBay. I will link everything for you underneath the video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely day.